I'm Kabir. My name is Bhajan. I am right-handed. We're going to be playing Mridang for a right-handed person. Alright? Let's start. Alright, now we're gonna learn how to play this Chal. This is one with both the sides mixed together. This is two, which is the black side or the smaller side. This is three, which is the little side. So it starts off by 1, 2, 3, 1 is both sides. 2 is the black side, or the smaller side. 3 is the lower side, and the bigger side. Okay, so where you're supposed to hit it on the lower side. There's two different sounds you can make. One where you hold it, make one sound. The other one will make a loud sound. And then you're supposed to hit it on the circle kinda and close to the edge. Alright. So when we're playing together, so like this. 1, for example. That will be a let go moment. And you're supposed to have your hands connected together. Okay? And then when you're playing single, like for example 3, you hold it. Like this. Watch my hands. On the black side, you're supposed to hit it on the tip of your fingertips, like spread out, and then you're supposed to hit it on the edge of the circle. Alright, let's practice now. Alright. So we're gonna practice again, and then we're gonna pick up the pace a little bit. Alright.
previously we saw the Mridang in a slow rhythm, but now we're going to take it a little bit faster to see how we do it in bhajans.
Kabir. My name is Jairaj. I'll be demonstrating the left hand side of Mridang. Adi demonstrating the right hand side. So here's how you start. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Speed up a little bit.
Alright, so on Kasi, you're supposed to do 1, 2, 3. On 3, you hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Alright, this is gonna be this slow and practice version of Kasi and Mridang. Let's practice.
Now we're going to practice a short Ochchav session with Bhajan, Mridang and Kasi. Bolo Sadhguru Ji Maharaj Ki Jai. Jairaj. Vacha, the main leader sings one line, and then the rest of the people follow along as a chorus. Now,